Timely Watch Faces app. So here is the app. It's one of the most popular app for watch faces. So there are apps like Facer. So what happened? Was it removed from the app store? So let's just check it out. So here it is, and then download in the app store. And okay, so now it's kind of a bit renamed. Watch faces and widgets timely. So here is the app by Stable Growth. That's how you can find it. Number one, watch faces gallery, great variety widgets. Watch analog multicolor, over 300,000 hands and widget. New faces every week, golden collection. Thank you for choosing Timely, the ultimate Apple Watch app for customizing your default watch faces. Unlock the full potential of your Apple Watch with unique custom designs. Display key health indicator in various ways. Experience weather forecast in a brand new way. Calendar complications, date countdown, weather, health. So all those things here. You can just go in here. Then there is lifetime access, $7. So that's why people like this app. Super good value. I really recommend you to upgrade. Pretty good idea. Super cheap app, and it has a huge collection. So here you can see some most popular. Check out the most popular complications of the week. You can have some dynamic days. You can have some free watch faces. And then you can just add watch face from here. So you can see some details, but yeah, that's basically the idea. And then you can just add watch face, pair your Apple Watch with this iPhone to add this face. So then you can just tap start pairing, and then you just open in your watch app. That's the idea. And then you have your favorites, then you have settings. You can join premium, but that's just $7 lifetime. You don't have a monthly subscription, which can be super annoying, so just use this. Yeah, so that's the idea. Basically, here you have it, and yeah, that's the app. So try it out. I think one of the best deals right now on the market for this watch faces.